Canva is a user-friendly platform ideal for creating professional business flyers, especially for those without extensive design experience. As of December 1st, 2025, the free tier offers unlimited designs, high-resolution downloads, and access to over 250 million templates, including numerous options specifically for business flyers. Begin by signing up or logging into Canva at canva.com. No credit card is required for the free version. Once logged in, search for Business Flyer to explore the available templates. Choose a template that aligns with your brand and the message you want to convey, considering styles like modern, minimalist, or festive designs. These templates serve as a foundation, which you will then customize to suit your specific needs. After selecting a template, customize your flyer by adding your logo, uploading images from Canva's vast library of over 4 billion royalty-free stock photos, adjusting text with 1,300 plus fonts, and incorporating your brand colors. For added impact, use Canva's Magic Design AI to enhance your layout automatically. Ensure your flyer is mobile-friendly by previewing on different devices and add a QR code linking to your website or offers. When complete, download your flyer in PDF, PNG, or JPG formats. For physical copies, print through Canva's eco-friendly partners with carbon footprint calculators. Before finalizing, use Design Check AI to spot errors like low contrast. Keep designs simple, use high-quality images, and prioritize readability for maximum impact.